Hi guys! In this video I will show you how to create tight braids, and for this example I use 2 Dutch braids. First you need the middle part line that starts from the front and ends on your neck on the back of the hair. Next I spray some water to my hair. And then I start the braid. Take a section of hair and share the section in 3 equal pieces. Start the braid by bringing strand from side under to the middle, alternately from both sides. I also add hair from the both sides of the braid. Left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. Left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. Left under, add hair. When you want the braid to be tight, there's a few tips that might help you to get what you want. First tip is that straighten the strand before moving it. So when you take the new hair strand, like here, make sure that the strand is straight before you move it to the under. The second tip is that when you add hair, add it directly to the inside. So basically when I add hair, I first bring the strand under like this, and then I bring the hair and I bring it all the way almost to the another side, because immediately after that I move the strand from the another side under. My third tip is that notice what you add in and where you add. When you add hair to the Dutch braid like this, you want the braid go under to the middle of the part line. So basically you want it to move like this. Not like this or like this. To get the braid going on the middle, you need to add same amount of hair from the both sides, and you need to add them on the each side. So you need to imagine that line. So when you add hair from the right side, add hair that comes out on the right side of that imagined line. And when you add hair from the left, add hair that comes from the left side of that line you want the braid to follow. It's also very important that you don't add 2 big pieces of hair, because in that case the braid is forced to go on faster than it's really possible to create tightly. So for this, the great tip is that don't add more than you already have. Basically, I mean with that, you cannot add more hair for one strand than you already have it, because if you do, you will add too much hair and then the braid won't be tight enough. But let's put some speed to the video so we can get to the next braid. I start again with spraying some water. Then I take this small piece of hair and share the piece in 3 strands. Make sure that the strands are equal. Then I start the braid. bring strands from alternately under to the middle and add hair from the both sides. And then repeat some rules. 1. Straighten the hair before moving it. That's very important because otherwise the braid won't be tight. 2. Add the hair inside, and that makes the addings look tight, because even if the braid will be very neat and tight, but if your addings are loose, then the braid won't look tight. So this is also very important. Third is notice where you add. So always remember to add hair from the right side. Grasp hair only until the imagined line you want the braid to follow. And the fourth is that don't add more than you already have. So don't be greedy and add too much at a time, because it might ruin your dream of tight braids. So be patient and add less or at the same amount of hair to the strand you just moved. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you like it and find it helpful. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!